Hello, and welcome to my latest Storytime Speedpaint and art prompt video hybrid. I was looking on Google for art prompt generators, specifically ones that contain 2 words or less, because I didn't just want a vivid description like I may find on Seventh Sanctum. I also wanted a companion and sequel piece to the art based from Mohawk and Candelabra. Link to that video in the description box below, along with the link to the art prompt website that I found this particular prompt. Besides the simple one-word prompt of rain, I was also hit with a memory of working on a picture based from the idea of Brendan, again from that old video, breaking up with Shannon, stating that he didn't love him anymore outside of a cafe. This depressing scene was based from the song Cup of Coffee from the band Garbage. To my mom, thank you for introducing me to a library of wonderful 90s groups. Love you. I do realize that Shannon feels one note, boring, and the type of uke character that makes one go, holy crap, this guy needs to grow a backbone. He made characters like Yukiya Ayase from Okane Gana, Yuki Teru from Future Diary, and Shinji Ikari from Eva seem manly in comparison. I realize I've created a straw man argument here, but I feel that is an accurate description of this character between my utter lack of experience as a teenager and reading too much yaoi manga and webcomics that made non-consensual relationships between the male characters seem normal. I do hope I get around to recreating Shannon's personality so he feels like a person that is fully fleshed out and not this depressing whoopee from the old piece, and this new piece too, along with actually having guts. I'm also trying something a little different in this video using graphites in this video. The materials I'm using makes the process easier for me and it suits the theme. I would like to try other materials as well as would like to give oil pastels another shot. Why, hello, the Black Bean CMS, because it just looks like fun. Anyways, enough with my rambling about art supplies. I'm gonna use in a future video. I'll be quiet from now on in this recording. Thank you for watching my speed paint. Don't forget to like, comment if you can, and subscribe, and thank you very much again for watching. Bye!